How to verify Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can verify Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to verify Cash App, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App, you can see this type of interface. Now there are a couple of ways to verify your identity if you haven't already done so. Just come to the home page over here, and if you have not yet verified account, whenever you try to buy Bitcoin or maybe purchase or maybe add some money to your account, by just tapping the add cash option, selecting the amount of cash that you want to add, Cash App will most likely ask you to verify your identity, as you can see, to continue using Cash App. So all you have to do is just tap the continue option. It may ask you to verify with your phone number as well as a legal name and so on. So make sure to also go ahead and then enter your legal name. Once you've entered your legal name, make sure to enter your date of birth as well. Once you've entered your date of birth over here, just go ahead and tap on the next option in this case, and once you tap the next option, most likely you'll be able to go ahead and it will ask you for all of the other confirmations, such as what type of account that you might want to verify here and what kind of account that you might want to verify as well. Once you upload a specific document with their social security number, your Cash App account will get successfully verified. This way you can verify Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.